So let's be honest with each other. You are a people pleaser. You really want to please everyone out there in your surroundings. So am I. And so is Shah Rukh Khan. And so is the president of our nation. And so is your neighbor. We all are people pleaser in some extent. But you know when there is a problem? When we try to please everyone out there. Yes, every single person out there. When you try to please everyone, it will become a problem. In fact, it will become more than a problem. It will become a disease to please. There is one of the beautiful quotes that I've heard. Lean too much on other people's approval and it will become a bed of thorns. You got to understand one thing, that yes, people do please. But if you try to please every person out there, you will become ill. Why? Because you want every people out there to like you, to love you. You want that attention. You want that people are attracted towards you. You want people to notice you because you want to be popular, right? See, there is no harm in being popular. It's always good. It's always amazing that people admire you. But if you try to please everyone out there just for the sake of that attention, then believe me, my friend, it's very wrong and it's going to hamper you. And because of all this, your personality have changed. Now, you always change your plan at a moment's notice. You always take up more work and stay late. You will always say yes. And you are the person who will never say no to a person, even though you want to, just for the sake that you want to be in their good books. You want to please. You want to have a good impression. You know why? Because you have a disease to please. You need to break free from this dilemma, as it will create a negative impact in your mind and it will only add stress and anxiety in your life and nothing else. Believe me, if you try to please everyone out there, your life will be full of negativity. And I will let you know how. Hey guys, my name is Vaibhav Nigam and in today's video I'm going to talk about how you should immediately stop trying to please everyone. So before starting this video, I just request you to smash that subscribe button, hit that bell icon so that whenever I upload a new video, you get notified. If you have any questions, do follow me here on Instagram, do DM me and I will surely try my level best to answer you back. So in today's topic, I'm going to talk about 5 very important reasons that you should stop pleasing everybody out there. So watch this video till the end, till the 5th pointer, so that you can understand the entire subject completely. So without any further ado, let's get started with the pointers. Number 1, you attract people less. See, the people are attracted towards the individual personality, a strong personality. People looked up to someone who actually have the strength to go out and be themselves. But unfortunately, you are the one who is trying to please everybody out there. So what about your personality? Your personality will be overshadowed by all these dilemma which is happening inside your mind. And that is the reason that people will never be attracted towards you. You got to have your own unique personality so that people have a positive opinion about you. But if you want to please everyone out there, you will never get that kind of attention, the positive one. All you're gonna get is a negative impact, a negative perception from the people that you want to be admired from. Number 2, you will have a fake personality because you want to please everyone out there. You want to be in their good books. And because of that, you're always a yes man. You always say good things to the people. And that will create a negative impact, though you want to be in their good books, but it will backfire. Believe me, it will backfire. People will know you that you have a fake personality, and whatever you're saying to that person is because you want to cajole them. Just for the sake, for the attention, for the attraction that you want, for the popularity. But believe me, the people, your colleagues will understand you. And you will be the talk of the group, but unfortunately in a very negative way. Number 3, you will always be in fear. You will have a mental state because you always want to please everybody out there. You will always be in fear. Your mind will be thinking in a very negative way out there. You always have a fear of rejection. Like, what if people won't accept you? What if people don't like you? And just because of that, you're always trying to please everybody out there. Though you hate it, though you don't want it, but you're doing it again and again. And that is creating a negative impact in your mind. You got to understand one thing. You will feel restless. You will feel agitated. There will be stress. You will feel anxious. And this fear of rejection will haunt you like a shadow. So you don't have to appreciate everybody out there. You don't have to please everyone. Only a handful of people will work. Have your own individuality and be fearless. That is the reason it's very important that you don't please everyone. Number 4, you will end up less confident. People will find you less trustworthy. Because you will only tell what people want to hear and they will understand it. They will understand that you are buttering them up. They will take you for granted. They will not take you seriously and they will always unable to understand you because they have no clue what is actually going on in your mind. Let's say one of your friend came up wearing a very stupid shirt and they ask you, how am I looking? If you say it's looking amazing, believe me, people will know. Even the person who's wearing will know that you are actually buttering him up just for the sake because you want to be in the good books. It will not help. As I said before, it will backfire. People will make fun of you. They will always take you for granted, which will lead you to feel less confident. Day by day, you're gonna lose your confidence. And this will impact your life altogether. So you don't have to please everybody out there. Be who you are. Be judgmental. People will understand you and they will respect you. Last but not the least, the fifth point is you will end up with fewer friends. Trying to please everyone is rooted in the fear of rejection. The irony is because you are end up seeming less attractive and less trustworthy, people will leave your life. They will often reject you. They don't want you in their groups. They don't want to be part of your lifestyle because you have a fake personality. Because of all these 4 points which I told you earlier. And that will create a negative impact in your life. And you will have stress and anxiety. And it can lead to many things. The very people whom you are trying to get approval from are often the people who will reject you. Maybe not on your face, but in their hearts. Because nobody wants to be with someone who hides their true feelings. So I hope that you understand all these 5 reasons. And I hope that you're going to implement all these things in your life. So that you don't have to please everybody out there. So I hope this video will help. Do let me know in the comment section what you feel. If you like this video, do give me a big thumbs up. Do share it with your family and friends. And do subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss any of my videos. This is Vaibhav Nigam. I will see you soon. Till then, take care. Cheers. Bye-bye.